So the drone ship sits there right now and is basically waiting for the mission to happen. That I'm pretty sure this will be very exciting. It's, as I said, it's an experiment. There's a certain likelihood that this will not work out right, that something will go wrong. It's the first time we try this. Nobody has ever tried that, to our knowledge. And so currently Elon put a probability of 50% on this part, really as an experimental part, basically, of the mission. Again, it's not part of the mission. We will focus. The entire company worked very hard to make the ISS part and the ascent part and the cargo part happen. I just wanted to bring it up on the side because I guess you're probably interested in that too. I guess that's all I had.
Major?
All right, good afternoon. Well, after a warm weekend over the Space Coast, we are seeing that increased cloudiness and wind shift around from the south to the north, associated with a cold front that has since moved into our area and slowed down and over the central coast, over the central Florida area, I should say. As we get into, excuse me. Fortunately, that front will not stall out like the last one did, and will continue to slowly push to the south. And what that means is the cloudiness will decrease, the clouds will start to thin out, and that has allowed us to decrease our probability of violation from 40% that we had over the past couple of days to 30% as we do have now. We can go to the visible satellite shot, please. You can see those clouds little as the sun slowly starts to go down. You can see you can still see the clouds there associated with the front. Again, they're slowly starting to move to the southeast, and we really won't see a good push of clouds move out until Wednesday and Thursday. That's when we'll really see that front make its way to the southeast. So for tomorrow morning, we are looking at scattered clouds in the lower levels and mid levels, and then in the upper levels will be mostly cloudy skies at about 24,000 feet. You can see right there the forecast, 2,000 feet scattered, scattered in the mid levels, and broken about 24,000 feet. And the mid levels is really where we will be focused, is associated with the thick cloud rule. We'll be looking at clouds anywhere between 0 degrees and minus 20 degrees Celsius, and in this case that's about 15 to 20,000 feet. So in that area we'll be looking for clouds over the launch pad, and seeing if the cloud, any part of that cloud deck is that's greater than 4,500 feet thick, is between 15 and 20,000 feet. Visibility, no issues. Winds will be out of the north, northeast at 5 to 10 miles an hour. No issues with weather, and temperature about 64 degrees. Again, 30% chance of violation associated with the thick cloud rule. If we can go to the Friday morning, if we happen to slip into Friday morning,